What if I told you that real power, the kind that changes lives and inspires others, doesn't come from wealth, fame, or physical strength? It comes from a mind so disciplined, so unshakable, that no obstacle can break it. Not setbacks, not heartbreak, not pain, not even your own doubts. Let's be honest. Many of us, maybe even you, are coasting through life, sleeping in, scrolling social media for hours, chasing comfort over growth. And yet, we still wonder, why does life feel so heavy? Here's the truth. Life isn't the problem. It's about how strong you've built yourself to face it. But here's the good news, that strength, it's not out of reach. You can forge it, shape it, build a mind so powerful it commands respect. Why do some people rise above challenges while others crumble? It's not about talent. It's not about luck. It's mental discipline. Think of Serena Williams, grinding through injuries to become a legend. Or someone like Oprah Winfrey, who overcame poverty and prejudice to build an empire. They faced struggles, real struggles, and didn't run. They didn't quit. They used every setback like fuel to build an unbreakable mindset. Feel like you're too tired, too far behind? David Goggins was overweight, stuck in a dead-end job, spraying cockroaches to pay the bills. One day, he saw Navy SEALs on TV and decided, that's who I'll become. He had to lose 100 pounds in 90 days just to try. His body broke. His mind screamed. He ran through pain every day. But he kept going. Now, he's a symbol of toughness, not because he was born special, but because he built himself. Here's the secret they all share. When your mind refuses to give up, the world makes way. Discipline isn't glamorous. It's not a viral quote or a perfect Instagram post. It's a daily battle against your excuses, your fears, your urge for comfort. It's saying no to what's easy and yes to the version of you waiting to be unleashed. Want to be unstoppable? Start doing these every day. Take a cold shower. Hate it? That's the point. Face discomfort. Wake up early, before the world. No excuses. Do one thing that challenges you, every single day. Train your body and your mind, together. Pause before you react. Control your emotions, don't let them control you. Meditate, not just for peace, but to master your thoughts. Each of these is a tool, a weapon. Use them, and you become someone who doesn't just survive, you thrive. Now, let's talk about failure. Most people dodge it like it's the enemy, but the strongest? They chase it. Because failure isn't the end, it's the forge. Discipline is the hammer. Pain is the fire. You fall. You get up. You hurt. You grow. That's the cycle. That's the path. Life in America isn't always easy. Some face systemic barriers, poverty, discrimination, or mental health struggles. But discipline? It's the one thing you control. It's the equalizer. It's what builds the kind of person who walks through chaos and stays calm. Picture this. A person who doesn't crack under pressure. Someone who doesn't need likes or applause to keep going. Someone so focused, so driven, that they're immune to the noise of the world. No drama. No excuses. Just relentless action. That's the American spirit at its core. Grit, resilience, and the courage to keep going. Still waiting for motivation? Stop. Motivation comes and goes. It's fickle. Discipline? It's there every day, no matter how you feel. Build it, and you stop asking for permission. You stop doubting yourself. You walk into a room, and people feel your energy, because you've done the work others won't. Real power isn't loud. It's quiet. It's steady. It's unstoppable. It's the single mom working 2 jobs who still shows up for her kids. It's the veteran rebuilding their life after sacrifice. It's the entrepreneur who fails 10 times but tries again. So ask yourself, are you building a mind that inspires awe, or a life that fades into the background? The choice is yours. The American dream isn't handed out, it's built, one disciplined day at a time. If this speaks to you, don't just nod and move on. Act. Start now. Be the person who makes the world take notice. Let your discipline tell a story louder than words ever could.